Guys, sorry guys, I forgot you were there for a minute. I am trying to find the lace of this wig and I just can't find it because what is this? I am done with toxic girlies. I am not doing lace fronts anymore. And Dizzy, mark me absent. And then West Kid's hair was like, girl, tap into 5x5 frontals. Tap into 5x5 frontals. So they sent me this 5x5 frontal wig that I'm gonna try with you guys today. So obviously you get the wig itself, and this is the sneak peek I took. Sheba, look at this. I already knew this was gonna change my life. It's got a bonnet. I love this because I'm actually growing my hair now. You can see I got pushback. 2 caps, a comb, some 3D eyelashes. I don't do lashes, so I'm just gonna give those away. What is wrong with this top? Why is it being so extra? And it comes with a melting band. Okay, West Kiss. This wig is a 250 density wig. It's a curly wig and it's 18 inches, right? So apparently it's got undetectable HD lace, and I asked for mine in a small cap, so I think you can size the caps as well. This wig is about $235. We are expecting a lot. So my expectations are really high for this week, because if I'm going to be spending $235 and I'm asking you guys to spend, what was I saying? If I'm going to spend $235 and I'm asking you guys to spend $235, it better be worth it, okay? We are not just spending money for vibes. So I'm expecting this wig to be a ride to die. I don't want a part-time girly, a side chick. I want a main chick. I want a wife. Because I plan on wearing this wig literally every single day when I go to work. So it better deliver. Girlies, are we leveling up on our wigs? I feel like this is a glow up from all the wigs I've ever had. But wait a minute. Get it how you live it. 10 toes in while we standing down. Burners, I'm a big stepper. Okay, she is pre-plucked and she's also bleached. The knots are bleached. I thank you for that, because me and not bleaching is not my friend. Huralang emang yana. The way the hairline is hairlining on me right now. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this for me. I love this for me and this era. This is like a summertime glow. It's the 1st of September and this is the wig I'm wearing. This is a sign. This is a sign that you know what? My season. This is my season. Okay. Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Please, I don't know her. You cannot see the difference between this type of hair situation and my actual hair situation. Okay, I'm ready to cut this lace. I'm ready to cut this lace because what is this? Tomorrow is Monday. I'm ready for work. Usually Sunday stresses me out because it's Monday and but I'm so ready for work tomorrow. Let's see this girl. Let's see what's happening here. Guys, this week is, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, this is gorgeous, child. This is gorgeous. So okay, so I just want to apply a little bit of holding spray just to low-key melt it a little bit. So I'm going to use this Elnet L'Oreal spray just to hold it down a little bit and try and melt it down. So let's play around with this wig. I'm just going to play around with the curls a little bit. It is so soft. It is so soft. I love that it's this soft because all my wigs that are curly like this, and I love this look, they have a bit of a hard feeling to it, like a hard texture, and this girly is soft. Okay, let me play around. Let me keep playing around with this girl. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This wig is not mindful. No, ma'am. This wig is not very demure. She is not trying to mind your feelings. She is trying to be present, and I am here for her. Okay? Not demure. Not demure. As the Pitorians say, demure ngwana ko gae. Demure. Ah! Demure. Ay, demure. This is not a demure look. This is not very mindful. This is, I am coming for you, your mother, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncles, every single person. I am coming to collect and serve you guys because I love this. I love this wig. I love how big the curls are. I love how easy it is to work with. I am here, present. Mark me present for this wig, child. This wig makes me want to go start a wig stockfell. A wig stockfell because I would rather have one of these wigs than 5 of the other dragon's wigs. And so I'm going to take my curl defining mousse from Perfect Touch, and I'm going to try and take back the curls to a little bit of more of a wet look situation. I don't know why I did that. It just felt right. That's a lot of mousse. How am I going to apply that? Oh my gosh! This is so gorgeous. I love this wig. I am in love with this wig. You know, I'm starting to feel like international brands sell way better hair than local brands. I used to hear it and I couldn't believe it, but this wig is making me rethink that conversation. Because Angek, who is this? Oh my gosh, where is it? Please. Guys, sorry guys, I forgot you were there for a minute. I am trying to find the lace of this wig and I just can't find it because what is this? Oh, guys, I think it's stuck in customs. I think they won't let it into the country. I think that's what's happening in this situation because ma'am, who is this? Who is this girl? Okay, who's this girl? Who's this girl? Boo, 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 boo. I am loving this wig. I am loving this wig. I am loving this wig, guys. I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. I actually feel like we that wig stock fail, we're onto something. We need to start that wig stock fail because we all deserve to buy and own and have such beautiful wigs, honeys. Oh my gosh, I love this for us. I love this for our hair. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate you guys and I appreciate this wig. So what is next? For the next 7 days, I am going to wear this wig every single day. I'm going to go to work with it. I'm going to go to gym with it. I am basically going to live my life with this. I just want to see if it can go the distance. You heard me when I started this. I want a ride or die girly. I do not want you guys to spend $230 for a one-hit wonder or a part-time girly, not a weekend special. We want a Monday to Sunday girly. So this is how I'm gonna spend the rest of my week, and then I'm gonna come back here and give you guys my final review and let you know if it is worth it. But thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I appreciate you so much. I will see you during the week.